Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here at Stockton Lake. I want to show you. It's a busy lake today. Hold on. I'll turn you around. On. That looks like fun. Like way back over here. I don't know if you can see them. We got sailboaters. Way out there. Sailboats and more fisher boats. That tubing looks fun. The lake is full. Look at all them sailboats. Little white triangles out there. The wind's just right. There by Snake Island. That island out there is Snake Island. I was when I was growing up. Got us a fisherman right here. Another one over here in the cove. There it is. Another one way back over here in this cove. So the lake is jumping. Here's the dam. Water's down. Makes great fun of the lake. And it's hot. People are enjoying it. I used to enjoy it, but I can't do the water with my vertigo. Thank you, MS, multiple sclerosis. I don't know if I can zoom in any closer to see or not. He dumped his party. Boat ramp way over there. More boaters. Kind of overcast. Lots of sailboats. It's amazing how many sailboats there are. They're little, I know they're little. I can't zoom any closer. Otherwise I would. Lake is beautiful though today. I wonder if he's catching walleye. I like walleye. I had walleye for breakfast. Anyway, this is our beautiful lake. This is Stockton Dam. I got some more fisher boats coming.